I am not happy at all. Family, let me tell you, this journey has not been easy. I've worked so hard on my channel. I have over 1,000 subscribers, 2.9 million total views, and more than 15,000 watch hours, meaning I fully qualify for YouTube monetization. But guess what? I'm still not monetized. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a bit emotional and very personal because I want to talk about something many creators fear, but very few speak about it. I'm not really happy. I want to share my experience with Google AdSense, how it has been giving me hectic and frustrating time trying to get monetized. I believe my story will encourage someone who is going through the same struggles and is almost giving up like me. I am not happy at all. Family, let me tell you, this journey has not been easy. I've worked so hard on my channel. I have over 1,000 subscribers, 2.9 million total views, and more than 15,000 watch hours, meaning I fully qualify for YouTube monetization. But guess what? I'm still not monetized. I feel so low. I feel so frustrated. And not because of copyright issues. No, I have zero copyright strikes. My biggest battle has been AdSense. Let me explain. Number one, first AdSense account. I opened my first AdSense account happily thinking everything was okay. Then suddenly Google started asking for website. A website I don't even have. Just an error after error. I tried to fix it, but it kept rejecting. I became tired, frustrated, and finally I closed the entire account. Number two, second and third AdSense account. I said, let me try again. I opened another account, boom, still errors. I opened a third one, again, issues. And Google sending me emails that made no sense. Imagine being a YouTuber working so hard on content. You use your Wi-Fi, your bundles, your time, editing videos late at night, uploading consistently, and then you can't get monetized because of an AdSense technical issue. I am very sad. I'm really frustrated. To make the matter worse, what is really making me more sad, YouTube sends you emails and emails. That makes no sense. They don't tell you the really mistake that you're making so that you can rectify. They give you a lot of problems and problems. They add problems on problems. They should work on this. I hope many are there and they're not talking about it. But I said, let me come and talk about it. I'm really frustrated right now. I've really worked hard for this YouTube channel. But to see this, it is really demoralizing. At some point, I honestly felt like giving up. Or rather, I'm feeling like giving up. I'm keeping asking myself, what am I doing wrong? I've written emails to them, but they still give me errors that I can't even explain. I thought, first, I've not told you, I had not filled the W8 then form, which I did. The form that you answer, you all, you fill your names, your PO box, your details. I did that. It was approved. I checked on my YouTube videos. I've deleted some of them. I thought they had errors of copyright issues, but I can't see. I can't see anything. I can't see anything. Right now, the main issue for me to do this video, I know deep inside me, I'm not the only one. Many creators passing through the same thing in silence. Others are paying people so that they can check what is the problem. They are using their money, their resources, but they cannot talk. I decided to come and do this video. If there is somebody outside there who can really tell me what am I not doing right, please put in the comment section. I'm really, really frustrated. I don't know what to do at this point. I'm at a fixed. They tell me to fix the small tweaks, but I try to fix them. I thought it was on payment information. I've done it. I've screwed all my YouTube channel everywhere. But I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Starting again fresh new AdSense. Starting again, fresh new AdSense. Now, I decided to start afresh. I opened a new AdSense account again. It's currently in progress. Waiting for their feedback. I'm praying hard and hoping this time it will be positive. This journey has humbled me. It has stressed me. It has tested my patience. But I'm still standing. So, if you're watching this and you are going through the same issue, please don't give up. The process is painful. But once it works, you will thank yourself for not quitting. Guys, thank you so much for listening to my story today. I just wanted to be honest with my YouTube family because these are the challenges creators rarely talk about. I hope my journey encourages someone out there who feels stuck. We'll get there. I believe this time the feedback from Google will be positive. Please remember to like, comment, and share this video. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and join this amazing family. Up next time, I'm so frustrated, even I don't know what I'm saying. I'm saying, until next time, keep pushing, keep believing, keep praying, and never lose hope. I love you all.